We need this main bar, the handle, the lights, the screwdriver, and in this small bag we only need the phone holder. This is the phone holder and this small rubber ring. First we take this bar, tighten this screw, make sure that this rubber part is on the outside. Then we take the screwdriver, loosen this screw, turn it like this, and tighten it. Then you do the same with this one. Loosen, turn, and tighten it. Now we take the phone holder. First you can use your hands. Put the screw under it. And fix the phone holder in place. Then just tighten the screw with the screwdriver. So this is what you get. Now let's put the lights. Here, as you can see, this part is movable. So here is how you tighten it here, so it will not fall off. Like this. And the other one, we put it inside here and tighten it. Like this. You can change the angle between the lights if you need it. And the last part is the handle. You need to use this rubber band so it will not get loose. Just put it in here. And this is it. Now the MK16 is ready. You can turn on the lights and put your phone into the phone holder.